How to fix DirectX setup could not download the file error. You can solve this problem very easily. For that, you need to watch the full entire video. First, I install the software to see how the problem occurs. You wait a while and you will see that I also have the same problem. Now, we will solve this problem. First, open any browser, then go to this website. On this website link, you will get in the pin comment of the video. Then download the software from here. Once the software is downloaded, go to your desktop and open a new folder. Then I put the downloaded software on my desktop. Now I will open the software. Then click Yes. Then click on Browse and select folder location, which is the folder you created on your desktop. Then click OK. Now open the folder you created. After opening, install the software from here. Hopefully there will no more problem now, because this problem occurs when we install the software and some files are downloaded from the internet. But when the file is downloaded from the internet, we see this problem due to some problem with the file. Since we have manually downloaded this file to our folder, there should be no more problem now. Still, if anyone has any problem, please let me know in the comments and I will try to provide a solution. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.